Hey, it's H here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for PALANTIR technologies with ticker PLTR. Now, first we're going to go into key levels of support and resistance, and then wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory. So let's get going. Again, Tradingview is used. I'm going to be using logarithmic scale, and we're going to be around 1 hour time frame currently at that. So let's start. These are basically the levels that I'm looking forward to the most. Let's get these levels going on as well. So high time frame, actually we need to go higher. Okay, this is nice that Tradingview doesn't allow the volume profile to work too well. Oh well. Again, now on daily time frame we can check out some higher time frame structure here. All of these are going to be providing resistance if the price shoots up. Currently we have a support and resistance level down below us, where we've backtested here first time around October 20th, October 2020, and now close here February 24th, and possibly now today or tomorrow. Above us we got a daily and range value area high of this whole history with this stock, around $14.75. Another support, resistance area here at the 38.2 resistance or retracement area. There we go, around $17.44. This area has been first here at November 2020 as a resistance, then went through support, and in May 2021 went through here and back tested it basically January 2022. This could be placed a bit higher, but doesn't really matter. We could be expecting these to be holding as resistance as well. But yeah, this general area above here all the way at around $25 or $26 we got the point of control at $24 and a golden pocket just a bit higher. So this is going to be a major level of resistance if the price is ever going to get there again. And the last I think that I want to mention is this one around here at $30. Not much here with a volume wise, but again is range value area high with this support and resistance area that we've backtested a couple of times now. Now on a bit lower time frame, let's check those out. Close this one. Yep. Get to 1 hour time frame. So now this is basically the correction or the range that we've had since January 24th, and this is something I'm looking at. Again, we had a backtest, couple of backtests here into range value area low, giving us some resistance and bringing price down. We've established another daily here as well. That is going to be another resistance level around $10.72. A major level here with the point of control and the golden pocket is definitely something to look out for. I'm going to add alert here. GP, and definitely going to be looking for possibilities of shorting here. Range value area high and 786 around this monthly as well. A nice area of resistance as well. So we got quite a lot of resistance areas above us that are super major and really worthwhile of attention, I guess, if you want to label those on your charts. There you go. Now on to Elliott Wave stuff. We had labeled this as the primary 1, looking for primary 2. Could have been possibly done here. It is still possible that the wave 2 here is done here, as price hasn't gone below the current lows here. meaning that something like this is going on, but this is again really unlikely. Why? Well, even for the start of the structure we had to make this weird looking diagonal into 1, then we had a super deep 2 into 786 retracement of this first move, and whenever it goes below the golden pocket, it is a way of saying that this is not a particularly strong move. It is a sign of weakness if it goes through here. Now we had a couple tests here for the golden pocket before attempting to go a bit lower, but again you can see that these Fibonacci retracement levels are really important. Again, I've labeled this as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 into the 3rd, 4th and 5th. Now even the 5th doesn't come up to the 1.618, so this is a bit weird, wonky looking wave structure. Just by looking at it like this, it's not really looking good. But in case we could be labeling still here and looking for wave C to end down here for the wave 2, few percentage, and we'll 3% or more downwards, and we will invalidate this count. I got a couple of alerts here as well on myself. Now that's the bull case. Bear case is this one, saying that we have an ABC, and instead of being 5th here, the 5th is actually here, or okay, before the 5th, first we need to establish that what is this structure here. As this is here, looks pretty impulsive to me. I think it is some kind of subwave structure of this one. So 3rd would be here, 4th would either be here, or we would be creating some kind of higher time frame sideways correction and coming up possibly even to this larger time frame channel that we have from the all-time highs to the peak of B and brought down to the A wave. Now again, we had a touch here on February 24th on this lower line, and we managed to get some kind of bounce. We tested this again, the higher line here, around the 8th of November 2021. So both of these lines have got some hits on them, other than the pivot points as well. Now, whether it comes this high or not, we could be again expecting lower targets after this point. Whether the 5 is coming down all the way down to the channel low, we are not certain of that yet. At that point, we would have to be considering this some kind of other structure again. We don't know where the wave 1 of primary actually started. We just got this structure that looks like 5 waves here, 3 waves here, and 5 waves here. All the way we could just know that it is some kind of a ABC correction, even higher, and then just another downwards and another upwards, and so on. There's just no telling with our price history. Currently, definitely the bearish case is my primary, and we will see how far it goes up. Currently we are having bullish divergence on these lows, and I've taken my long just here, as we've had a couple of different divergences here, meaning we could have some structure, something like this, possibly 1, 2, like so, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, and possibly ending here. It could be just 3, 4 and getting lower here. But any case, I got my long here. We'll see how it works out. I got a stop loss going on here below these monthlies. So, and again, we are getting really close to the all-time lows. So we need to be careful here. But yeah, I think that's my analysis on PALANTIR. If you have another coin or stock you would like me to analyze, let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and hopefully see you on the next one as well. Bye bye.